Hello, welcome to CAD Tutorial and Customization. In this video, I will show you which template needs to be selected before creating a project for NX customization in Visual Studio and how to add NXOpen references after creating the project. Let's get into the video. First, to open Visual Studio. In this tutorial, I am using 2022 version. Once it's open, click on Create a New Project. After that, in the next window, we need to select a template. To do this, we have to apply filters. First, in the all languages, select Caesar. Next, in the all platforms, choose Windows. Finally, in the all project types, select Library. From the above filters, select the class library.NET framework template. The output file generated from this template will be in .dll format, which we will execute in NX. After selecting the template, click Next. In the next window, enter the project name. Here I am naming it Adding NXOpen References. Adding NXOpen References. After entering the project name, choose the location where you want to save the file. I am saving my file in the NXOpen folder. Inside it I am creating new folder named Adding NXOpen References. Once done, select the folder to proceed. After that, we need to select the .NET Framework version. Here I am selecting 4.7.2. Finally, click Create to set up the project. After creating the project, if you can able to see the Creator window, Solution Explorer, Output and Error List windows, there is no issue. If not, don't worry, I will guide you on how to bring up those windows. Now, let's see how to bring up the Solution Explorer window. You can do this by clicking on View in the top menu and selecting the Solution Explorer. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut keys Ctrl-Alt-L on Windows. Next, to bring up the Creator window or Code Editor window, click on Class1.cs in the Solution Explorer window. Finally, to bring up the Error List and Output windows, click on View in the menu bar, then select Error List and Output from the drop-down menu. Next, we will learn how to add NXOpen references in Visual Studio. To add NXOpen references, right-click on References in the Solution Explorer window, then click on Add Reference. This will open the Reference Manager window. In the Reference Manager window, click on Browse and navigate to the NX installation folder. I was installed NX in C drive. In C drive, open Program Files. In Program Files, select Open Siemens, NX 12.0, NX bin. Then open Manager folder. Now select the following files: NXOpen.dll, NXOpen.guide.dll, NXOpen.uf.dll, NXOpen.utilities.dll, NXOpenUI.dll. Then click Add to include these files in our project. Ensure that all the selected references have tick marks before to them in the Reference Manager window, and then click OK to add them in our project. Now you can see that all the NXOpen reference files have been successfully added under the reference section in the Solution Explorer window. In the next video, we will learn how to write a program and execute in NX. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Your support will help us to create a more content like this.